everyone. In this short video we will add a second storefront to our current configuration. So I've just installed the storefront software, and we need to join an existing configuration. Let me go on the first storefront. This is storefront number 2 and this is storefront number 1. So here under server group we just click add server, and we will have an authorization, the authorization server and the authorization code. And on the other storefront we click join existing group, and we have to copy the information from this one. Okay, and the authorization code. And we click join. Okay, both servers have started to sync. It does take a little bit. Okay, after a few more seconds the joining has finished, and we can click OK. Okay, and we can go on the first storefront, and we can see the same information that it has finished the configuration. So now we have two storefronts, so they are now in high availability. Okay, and as a final information, I'm now on the first storefront, because as you have seen the message from after it finished, Citrix is letting us know that any changes should be done on the first storefront, and after you do any changes, you need to go to server group and propagate changes, because this is how the storefront will push. So storefront 1 will push all the changes that are done here in storefront 1 to the other storefront. Okay, this was it for now. Thank you for watching.